What's up guys, hope you're all good. Welcome back to another very exciting Premiere Pro tutorial. Now I'm sure all of us have come across videos that were absolutely amazing but the audio was just terrible. And often you come across situations when the audio is only playing one ear, like there's no sound coming from the other channel. So in this video we will look to repair the audio when one of the channels is not working. So let's first listen to this audio clip that I have on my timeline, and then we can go ahead from there and try to fix this. In this video, we will look at how to adjust the audio volumes, but before going into that, let's take a quick look at some of the basic audio features we have available in our timeline. So we have our audio tracks here. Okay, so straight away there were two things. Now, first of all, I could hear absolutely everything in my right ear, but I couldn't hear anything at all in my left ear. And then I could clearly see in the audio meter as well that the left channel is not equal to the right one, and it was completely quiet. So now in order to fix this, I'm going to first of all locate my audio clip in the project panel, and then I'm going to right click on this clip and we'll click on modify and then audio channels. Now a dialog box will appear on your screen showing you the details of your audio clip. Now you do have an option here just to listen to your audio clip once again to identify and just to kind of make sure that which channel is working fine. Now we already figured out previously that our left one is broken and right one is okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the format of my audio from stereo to mono. Now this means that rather than playing audio on two channels, the clip will be played on just one channel, which is why it's called mono. And then I'm going to select the right channel, so the channel which is working playing properly. So that is pretty much it, guys. That is all you need to do in this dialog box. So the first thing you have to do is change the format of your audio from stereo to mono, and then select the channel that is playing properly. And then I'm going to click OK on this, and now I'm going to go back in my project panel and we'll drag this audio clip and we'll drop it on my timeline. So now let's listen to this audio clip once again and see what has changed. In this video, we will look at how to adjust the audio volumes, but before going into that, let's take a quick look at some of the basic audio features we have available in our timeline. So we have our audio tracks here. So there you go, guys. The audio has been fixed and it's playing just perfectly. So the channels are even as well because it's using just one channel. So guys, this is how you're going to fix the audio channels, and I hope you found this video useful. If you got any questions, anything you're not sure about, feel free to drop that in the comment section and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm not going to see you in the next video. So till then, you take care of yourself.